Burgard Rippy, I'm over here at Yellow Spring, Ohio, Young's Dairy by the corner pumpkin patch for the car show, the teacher's car show, mid-August, end of the year, the alfalfa hayfield, going to race up and down. I'm going to race from one end to the other is what I'm going to do. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, about maybe 4 videos, 10 minutes apiece is kind of the plan. This is a new Honda. Checking the camera, a red Nova, more General Motors products. There used to be several of these, and I don't remember seeing that many this year. Calabrera, a green half-ton, a Falcon of some sort, a 2-door and a rose metallic, an old deuce. Some cars from Urbana. It looks like people, the groups go together. This is another one from Urbana, nice lady. So someone punched out some laser steel things. That's what to hang. That was a good idea. And she parks this in a bubble, like an inflatable, to keep it dust free. When it goes home, it goes back into a bubble. Yeah, taking those water jet cutting machines. It's a great idea. Pretty high-end deuce here, or 55 or 57, and a Wineberry.
Yes, sir, I see that old boy from Plain City here today. Taking some pictures.
He's over there, he's yelling at me, close from here. Give him a high five. So the Tropical Rose and Snowshoe White, boom. Crown Vic, Fairlane, 55. Love it. Check it out. The stick on the floor. Oh man, it gives me chills. A goat, a Grand Prix. So, one for the Mopar lovers. Got a lot going for it. Orange. Wow. Early 70s Z car. Grocery Gator, the Lincoln. No, it's a Chrysler product. 64 Imperial, Crown Imperial with them 4 headlights and 64. Pretty neat looking hubcaps. Just so excited today. Another orange car. The S10s. I kind of gotta wonder where they were building those. Check it out. It's beautiful. Early 70s TA before they came out. The Trans Am didn't even have that fiberglass kit on it yet. There's no spoiler on it. 73 Trans Am Formula Firebird. So it was right in a transition year. So it was that, and then in 75 you think they came out with the Bandit and the T-top, you think, right in a transition period. In 73. It doesn't even have the foil, it has a wood grain in there. The gauges look the same, but the background's different.
Oh, you got it. If your car has not been judged, stand and...
You didn't buy this new, did you?
No, I heard about you.
Wave
wow.
your arms, flag them down, they'll come over and judge your car.
Thanks. A Cross Tour. Pretty cool car. The 58. Yes.
Anyhow, you have to feel.
Watching the sun. It's like a trophy winning at 58 there. Yellow, some more classic Chevys. They have a tent. I'm running. Yellow, a rustic one. Very rustic. 68. Yes, 69. Good people. Look at the highboy. Pretty intense. A sedan. RS Camaro 67. Comet. A Mopar. Well, okay, we already seen the Swinger, and it's awesome. It's a 351 Cleveland in here, 1970. Has a big transmission cooler up in front of the aluminum radiator, and the Willwood. I don't know if I ever get used to saying that. Yeah, beautiful Ford here. Wow. But thanks for watching, everyone. Bogart Rippy over here. Teacher's Car Show, Young's Dairy by the Fiberglass Cow in the Sky. Thanks for watching.